Hello po mga ka-BM. Ayan, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome or welcome back po dito sa Bonum Magos. Ayan, so wag na natin patagalin pa. Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra, air signs, and of course, ating mga cross-watchers. Ayan, alamin natin sa video na to kung ano yung mga blessings and yung mga pagbabago na maaasahan ninyo this April, May, and June. Okay? Ayan. So, shout out pala sa ating mga YouTube members. Okay, meron ng mga sumali. So, abangan nyo by the end of April. Okay? Ilalive ko dito sa YouTube yung paraffle, no? So, bubunot ako ng pangalan ninyo kung sino yung mananalo ng Pink Jade Holy Rosary worth 1,980. Right? Okay, so start na tayo. Air signs. Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra, ano yung mga pagbabago at yung mga blessings na darating sa inyo this April, May, and June. Okay, you have building blocks. Okay, isa-isahin natin yan mamaya. You have no place like home. You have regeneration. And you have new life. I love this. Okay. At the bottom, you have happy, happy. I feel like isa sa mga blessings at pagbabago mangyayari sa buhay ninyo, air signs, Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra, is a lot of you, karamihan sa inyo ay magiging super, sobra, sabihin ko sana sobra, super happy, happy. O, diba? Super happy, very happy, April, May, and June. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, if yung mga nagkakasakit, may mga malubhang sakit, April, May, and June, sisigla na kayo. Babalik na yung sigla ninyo, makaka-recover na kayo. If this is not you, by the way, this could be your loved ones, your family member. Ayan. I feel like a lot of you, air signs, Aquarius, Gemini, yung iba na nangangarap na magkaroon ng bahay, makapagtayo ng bahay, April, May, and June, posibleng mangyayari yan. Okay? May nakikita ako ditong malaking pagbabago sa buhay ninyo. Okay? It's a new life for you. Starting over. Okay? This is very, very nice kasi parang bagong simula, bagong pag-asa, bagong buhay. Especially sa mga nakaranas ng mga pagsubok dati. Ayan. And for those of you na parang very, very dumaan sa mga tribulations and trials, April, May, and June, magbabago ang buhay ninyo. Makakaasa kanyo yan. Claim this energy. Okay? With building blocks, I feel like this is you building your foundation, building your success, okay, towards victory, building um, your new life. Okay, you're standing up foundation. I feel like you are this also talking about financial security. You are building your finances. Okay? Wow. All right, let's see. Air signs, Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra. What else? Pagbabago at blessings na darating sa buhay ninyo. Okay. Yung mga iba na gustong umuwi galing ibang bansa, umuwi ng Pilipinas, makakauwi April, May, and June. You have overcoming obstacles. You can overcome anything April, May, and June. Masabi ko, kung meron kang pinoproblema, air signs, Aquarius, Gemini, kung ano man yung malaking problema mo, mga pagsubok, struggles, ayan, overcoming. Ibig sabihin, matatapos na this April, May, or June. Okay? Ma-overcome ninyo yung mga pagsubok. Right? Masusolusyonan ninyo yung mga problema ninyo. You have grounding, go deep, explore your roots. Yeah, you are really going home. There is this you finally coming home. Okay, this is not just about physicality. What do you mean? Like, hindi lang ito metaphorically speaking, like going home, being in a place where you feel at home. So it doesn't matter kung nasaan ka. It feels like natagpuan mo na yung lugar kung saan ka masaya. That could be anywhere. Okay, it doesn't have to be kung saan ka pinanganak. It's like finally being comfortable nasaan ka. Finally, parang kumbaga kung dati, I can really feel this because honestly before I've always been telling my family na uuwi ako ng Mindanao, uuwi ako ng ayoko na dito sa San Fernando, ayoko na dito sa La Union. I hate this place. I don't like it. But right now, okay, as I'm entering this month, okay, it's really true. Oh my God, I can resonate this because I'm Aquarius, so it's like finally being but it's finally being comfortable where you are or where you at. And it's like, kung dati-dati, ayoko sa mga tao dito kasi there's also something about that. And when you finally come to realize that it's not about them, it's about how you feel. So right now, parang you find some of you have finally realized na kiber sa kanila, I will stay where I'm at. This is my home. Okay, I will make this place my home. There's something about no place like home. Ang galing. And you have Mystic Healer. Healing energy flows through you. And look at this. In conjunction with generation. I really do see that a lot of you, possibly Aquarius Gemini, there is this energy na pipick up ko na some of you, isa sa inyo ay manggagamot. Spiritual healer, mystic healer. Ayan. And I can also resonate. This could be talking about me because I'm a healer. I'm a mystic healer, spiritual healer. Ayan. Wow! Nakakagaling ka ng tao through your prayers. Something about that. Unknown territory, you are exactly where you need to be. This means that you are being guided towards your destination. Okay, you are being guided by the universe to reach your goals, to reach the top, okay, to reach your destination, and to reach your happiness with the happy happy card, right? And you have answering the call. The time is now. I think it's your time to shine. Okay, it's time to take action. Do what you love, Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra. I feel like something is coming. Some of you are being called to action. Some of you are being it's like, okay, if you have been seeing numbers, mga synchronicities like number 111, 444, 555, 33, repeating numbers, those messages are sending you because may ibig sabihin nun. Okay, those are angel numbers. Ibig sabihin that meron kang purpose dito sa mundo. Okay? Let's see what else. I think isa sa mga blessings na mangyayari sa inyo, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, is that blessing ang pagkakaroon or pagiging isang spiritual healer. There's something also about that. Okay, what else? You have explored your options. It's time to look at other possibilities. It's time to make changes. Maraming opportunities na darating sa buhay mo, Aquarius, that would lead to your strong foundation. Okay, that would lead to increased finances, financial stability. This is all about building blocks. This is you building your foundation, strong foundations in life. Worthiness. Know that you deserve to receive good in all ways. You will receive the best. Okay? Because with this card, it means that you deserve the best, Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra. I feel like something is coming in your life. May darating talaga na opportunity sa buhay mo na masasabi mo, this is the best opportunity na dumating sa buhay ko. Okay, there's something about that. You have have faith. Your prayers are manifesting. One of your manifestations ay mangyayari o magkakatotoo this April, May, and June. Okay, think about your manifestations right now. Imagine anong gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. Gusto mong yumaman, gusto mo maging successful sa buhay, gusto mo maging milyonaryo, gusto mo maging magkaroon ng mansyon, gusto mo bang maging sikat, whatever that is every time you imagine what you want to become in your life, that is manifestation. So remain positive with your dreams and follow your guidance. You are being guided towards your success and victory, Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra. I'm telling you, okay? Yan. Yung mga pinapanalangin mo, okay, on the process of mangyayari talaga. I promise, mangyayari, magkakatotoo lahat ng gusto mong, lahat ng mga pinapangarap mo sa buhay, okay? Morning affirmations, say positive affirmations each morning to open the gates of manifestation. There's really about talking about your manifestations here. What are those manifestations? Dreams, visions, pangarap. Those are manifestations. Okay, you have set your sights higher, increase your standards, and expect more for yourself. Don't settle. Expect more for yourself. This means that you really do deserve the best. Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra. You deserve the best. Ikaw lang ang makakakuha ng pinakamalaking star sa langit. Ibig sabihin, you are very special. And, you will reach the top. You will reach your destination. You will reach. Sinabi ko, di ba kanina, you will achieve your goals. You will. Makakamtan mo mga pangarap mo. Okay? Believe in that. So, keep your dreams alive. Ito na yung confirmation, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Okay? Kung ano man yung mga pangarap ninyo, it doesn't matter. The pera, negosyo, kung gusto nyo lumago ang negosyo nyo, gusto nyo magka-negosyo, yumaman, there is no limit to what you can achieve. I'm telling you. Okay? So, set yourself higher. Set your sights higher pala. So, yung kumbaga, kung mangangambisyon ka na lang din, Aquarius, Gemini, okay, lubus-lubusan mo na. O, diba? What else? Any more messages, please? For our Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra. April, May, and June. You have 2 of action. Okay? Trust in your ability to make excellent choices. Seek kaliwat kanan ang mga opportunity na darating sa inyo April, May, and June. Ayan. Magiging successful ka sa inyong career. May tutulong with regards to your career para makahanap ka ng trabaho. May tutulong. May magpapaabot ng tulong. Alam mo yon, big opportunity. Okay? 9 of emotion. This is the 9 of cups. I'm telling you. Wish fulfillment. Ngayon pa lang, kung ako sa inyo, Aquarius, Gemini, isulat nyo na, i-comment nyo na sa baba yung mga wish ninyo. Ano bang mga pangarap ninyo? Ano bang gusto nyong marating sa buhay? Okay? Make a wish now. Because this is a magical time in your life when wishes are granted and dreams come true. See, may mga pangarap ka talaga matutupad. Now, it may seem that good luck is following you, but actually, it is happy times. See, lumabas din ulit. Happy times are you just rewarded for being a loving and wonderful person. Your angels are asking you to enjoy your life and have more fun. See, a lot of you, Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra, you will enjoy your time. April, May, and June. Ayan. Let's move this up so we can have more space. I want to make sure that you can see the cards. Okay. Next message, you have the 7 of emotions. Okay. Your angels are asking you to make an important decision that you've been putting off. It's likely you know which choice you should make, but you're procrastinating. So some of you ay nagdadalawang isip, nawala ng gana. Your angels are urging you to take action. Like I said earlier, to take action on your dreams. Siguro meron kayong gustong gawin. Magnegosyo, magbusiness, mag-ibang bansa, magtrabaho, but meron kayong mga agam-agam, tinatamad kayo, nawawalan kayo ng gana, take this opportunity because time is gold. Time is moving. So, kumilos ka na, Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra, huwag ka nang magpaligoy-ligoy pa because itong opportunity na to, pag nalagpasan mo, wala na. Okay? You have the Four of Abundance. Okay? Limpak na pera ang makukuha mo. Tingnan, nakita mo yan? 1 million ata yan, no? Ayan, no? I hope you can see it. I hope you can see the limpak-limpak na perang hinahawakan ng bata na yan. And ganyan din ang mangyayari sa inyo. So claim this. Okay? April, May, and June, marami kang mahahawakan na pera, Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra. Isa yan sa mga blessings na darating sa inyo. Yung iba sa inyo makakatanggap ng magandang balita regarding sa inyong trabaho, negosyo, promotion, makakatanggap na sa trabaho. Yung mga naghahanap ng trabaho, makaka-receive kayo ng tawag or call na natanggap kayo sa trabaho, makakapunta kayo ng ibang bansa. There's also something about that. But definitely, there is a very good news na matatanggap ninyo April, May, and June regarding your business, regarding your career, and regarding your finances. Okay? So, Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra, yan po ang mga pagbabago and mga blessings na parating sa inyo this April, May, and June. Let me know if nagustuhan ninyo ang reading na ito. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the notification bell, lalo na sa mga new subscribers. Okay, mag-subscribe kayo, libre lang. Wala kayong babayaran. Pero pag mag-join kayo as member, magpa-special member kayo, okay, yung pangalan ninyo malalagay dyan sa homepage. Kagaya na nakikita niyo dyan, may mga mukha dyan nakabilog. Sila yung mga members. Nagbabayad sila ng monthly. Okay? Sila yung mabubunot ko this paraffle sa by the end of April. Ayan. Kung gusto niyong sumali, mag-join lang po kayo. Okay? Ayan. By the way, wala dito yung isang phone ko. Okay. Sasabihin ko na lang. Sa mga naghahanap ng mga Latin prayers, no? Okay? For financial bestseller sa akin ngayon yung Latin in prayer sa debt freedom, yung mga may mga utang at nahihirapang makapagbayad, or sa mga may utang pero nahihirapang makasingil. Ayan, bestseller ko ngayon yung ang daming bumili. Okay, 100 pesos lang. Kaya if gusto niyo yung bumili noon, okay? Actually, madami doon. Nakalista doon sa front page ko. Nakapin siya sa feature. Okay, naka-feature siya. Okay? Hanapin nyo doon or i-message nyo ako sa Facebook page, Ladybug PH. Ulitin ko, Facebook page, Ladybug PH. Okay? So, i-message nyo lang ako doon at bumili kayo ng Latin prayers. Okay? Papipiliin ko kayo from 1 to 15. Pero sinasabi ko, best seller sa akin ngayon yung makabayad ng utang and makasingil ng utang. And marami pa. Okay, 100 pesos lang. So, ayan po, mga madam and sir. But huwag po kayong aalis kasi meron pa akong i-flex na mga items na posible ninyong magugustuhan. Best seller din po sa akin ngayon ang mga citrine necklace. Uy, yung Burma Jade, restock next week or this Sunday. Abangan nyo. And yung mga evil eye bracelets. Okay, magre-restock ako. Abangan nyo pala mga madam and sir. Dami kong pasabog. Okay, holy water. Okay, holy water. 100 pesos lang per bottle. And all-in-one wishing candle. Okay, for success, for money, for good fortune, for good luck, for good health. Lahat na. Okay? 100 pesos lang for 3 pieces set of candles. Okay. So, huwag na ako. Aalis na ako. But don't go away. I'll be right back. Stay put cause mag-reflect ako ng mga items. Okay? Maraming salamat and good luck and I'll see you on the next one. Ingat po. Mga madam and sir, ini-invite ko po kayong sumali sa ating paraffle game. Ayan, you'll have a chance to win jewelry items worth more than 10,000 pesos po. Okay, for only 100 pesos, pwede kayong makasali. Ayan, pumili lang kayo ng mga numbers from 1 to 100. Ayan, for every slot, ayan, 100 pesos po. And you can avail or you can buy many slots, as many as you want. Okay, so ayan, for example, if favorite number ninyo ang 33 and number 7, ayan, magbayad kayo ng 200, okay, para sa dalawang numbers na kukunin ninyo. And ira-raffle natin yan sa raffle date na ibibigay ko. I-announce ko po sa Facebook page. Ayan, and ang gagawin ko po is yung huling number na mabubunot ko, siya po ang mananalo ng mga jewelry items, okay, na worth 10,000 pesos. Ayan, kung pwede ninyong ipamigay yung mga items pag napanalunan ninyo, or pwede ninyong ibenta. Okay, nasa sayo yan kung anong gusto ninyong gawin sa mga items. So, for only 100 pesos, may chance po kayong manalo ng mga jewelry items. Kaya message na po kayo sa Facebook page, Ladybug PH Tarot. Ayan mga madam and sir, sa mga naghahanap po ng mga evil eye bracelets, ayan, meron tayong pangmalakasan. Okay, lakas makasosyal to mga madam, for only 300 pesos each. Ayan, paunahan po sa pagbayad. Okay, message nyo po ako sa Facebook page Ladybug PH. Ayan, okay, because sa ngayon pa lang, as of now, okay, madami nang bumibili. Okay, magiging bestseller ko ata to. Okay, so ayan, huwag na kayong pahuli, okay? Message na kayo. Sa mga naghahanap po ng mga pampaswerte, meron akong Wanfu necklace. This is a Chinese pampaswerte. Okay, Wanfu, nagdadala ito ng blessings, prosperity, abundance, good fortune, ayan, pampaswerte, and happiness. Ayan, so this is only 300 pesos. May libre na siyang red bracelet. Kaya wag na kayong magpahuli. Okay, message me sa Facebook page Ladybug PH kung gusto nyong bumili. Sa mga naghahanap naman po ng money magnet oil or pampaswerte, panghatak sa kaperahan. Okay, I have money magnet oil for only 299. May libre ng red bracelet. Ayan, wag na kayong pagpahuli mga madam and sir. Iilan na lang po ito. Okay, ipahid nyo lang sa pulso, sa kamay ninyo, or sa likod ng tenga ninyo. Ayan, kahit saan pwede nyong ilagay. Okay, pwede nyo lang din dalhin kung ayaw nyong gamitin. Ayan, pampahatak po ng pera. Okay, mag-message po kayo sa Facebook page ko, Ladybug PH po. Ayan, mga madam and sir, welcome back. Ayan, so mga naghanap po ng pampaswerte, ayan, meron po tayong jade necklace. This is only 300 pesos each. Ayan, pampaswerte sa sugal, pampaswerte sa buhay, lahat na po, pampaswerte sa pag-ibig. Yan, jade is for good luck. Kaya kunin nyo na. Okay, message nyo po ako sa Facebook page Ladybug PH. Ayan, mag-message po kayo. Sabihin po ninyo, ma'am, pabili po ako ng jade necklace, 300 pesos. Ngayon sa mga namumblema naman dyan sa pera, meron tayong green aventurine. Maganda po ito, panghatak sa pera. This is a money magnet stone, yung green aventurine. So, if namumblema kayo sa pera, hindi kayo maka-loan, hindi kayo makabenta, hindi kayo parang walang pasok, walang perang pumapasok, no? So, kailangan po ninyo ng green aventurine necklace. This is only 300 pesos, kaya mag-message na kayo bago pa kayo maunahan. Now, sa mga namumblema naman sa kanilang love life, meron tayong rose quartz necklace. 4 pieces lang po ang available sa ngayon. Pero wag po kayong mag-aalala kasi magre-restock po ako in the future. So, sa gustong bumili, ayan, mag-message lang kayo sa Facebook page Ladybug PH, or dito sa Facebook page if nakapost po ito sa Facebook page, ayun, mag-PM na po kayo. Okay, so yung rose quartz po ay tutulong sa inyo na ma-in love lalo ang yung person. So gamitin nyo po ito, okay, during or pag nasa tabi po ninyo ang inyong mga minamahal sa buhay, o di ba? Ayan, so yung rose quartz din po ay nakakatulong para maging maayos ang takbo ng iyong love life. Last but not the least, yung citrine necklace po. Alam naman natin na yung citrine is the stone, merchant stone. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, yung mga merchants or mga sellers. Kaya kung ikaw ay nagbebenta, meron kang binibenta, may sari-sari store ka, may restaurant ka, may business ka, ayan, maganda po itong citrine. Bagay na bagay po ito sa mga negosyante dyan. Okay? Para panghatak, pampaswerte, panghatak ng pera, ayan yung citrine. And talagang mabibenta ninyo yung mga binibenta ninyo. Lalo-lalo na dun sa mga nagbibenta ng lupa. Ayan, pwede rin yung citrine. Ayan, kung meron kayong binibentang kahit anong binibenta. Okay? This is the seller's stone, kumbaga. Kaya, ayan, kunti lang yan. For sure, maraming bibili nito, kaya paunahan lang po sa pagbayad. Kaya huwag ka nang magpahuli, mag-message na kayo sa Facebook page Ladybug PH Tarot. Kung ito nakapost sa Facebook page, ayan, mag-PM na po kayo. Sa mga naghahanap po ng mga diffuser bracelets, ayan, naka-promo sale po ako ngayon. 799 po for only 3 items. So, ano yung mga items na yon? Diffuser bracelet, money magnet oil na 299, ngayon isa-sale ko na. And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating all-in-one powerful red bracelet. So, for 3 items, 799 na. So, mag-message lang kayo kasi I think this is only 5 pieces available yung set. Now, sa mga gusto namang bumili lang ng money magnet oil lang ang bibilhin nila, okay, this is only 299. Ayan, may libre ng red bracelet. Kaya ano pang inaantay nyo? Naka-promo yan ngayon. Ngayon lang yung pag hindi naubos yung red bracelet. Kaya mag-message na kayo sa Facebook page. Hanapin ninyo Ladybug PH.